Hi everyone, today let's understand get mapping, post, put and delete mapping in springboot actually. For annotations, springboot REST APIs lo chala important. Let's make it simple with one example. Imagine your server is like a restaurant. Here get, post, put, delete are HTTP methods. So here get means you are just seeing the information, you are not ordering anything in the context of restaurant actually. And in the context of springboot REST API, get means you are just fetching the information from the database. Post means in the context of restaurant, you are placing the new order. That's like in springboot REST API, you are creating a new data in the database. Put means like you are completely changing your order details, and in the context of restaurant. In the context of in springboot, you are completely changing your full details from in the database actually. It means you cancel your order, which means removing your data from the database. Which mapping tells the server which action you want. So here, I created the example called student controller. Just normally previously I have written this program. This is one REST API, and this is one REST API, and this is also one REST API, and this is also one REST API. This REST API is for to save the data in the database actually, and this REST API is used to get the data from the database actually, and this REST API is used to update the details from the database. Update the details in the database actually. Here put mapping representation of updation, and delete mapping representation of delete the data in the database actually, like get mapping, post, like that. So this is the example of that one. Get means read the data in the database. Post means create the data in the database, and put means update the existing data in the database, and also delete means removing the data in the database. So ఈ 4 annotations వల్ల మనం clean REST APIs build చేయాలి. This is about these 4 HTTP methods like post, put, delete. And if you understand the video, please like and follow. Thank you.